Ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer while the rest of the world struggles to make ends meet? Is it just luck, a secret formula, or something they know that you don't? Today, we're uncovering the top wealth-building secrets used by the ultra-rich, secrets that schools never teach but can completely change your financial future. Most people work hard just to survive, but the rich, they play a different game. They know how to make money work for them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. The rich don't think about money the way most people do. While the average person thinks about earning and spending, the wealthy think about owning and investing. The key? They see money as a tool for wealth creation. Think about it. When most people get paid, they immediately spend it on things like rent, food, and entertainment. But the wealthy? They take a portion of their income and invest it. They buy things that make them more money over time. Here's the difference. Poor and middle-class people work for money. The rich make money work for them. Imagine two people. One saves money in a bank, earning 1% interest. The other invests in stocks, real estate, and businesses. In 10 years, who's richer? The investor. And that brings us to the next secret. Most people have just one source of income, their job. But the rich? They have multiple streams of income. Even if one fails, they still make money. Relying on one paycheck is risky. What happens if you lose your job? That's why the wealthy always have backup income streams. Here's what millionaires and billionaires do differently. They build businesses, invest in stocks, own real estate, and create passive income streams. Think about someone like Elon Musk. He doesn't just have Tesla. He has SpaceX, Neuralink, and other ventures. If one fails, he still has multiple sources of wealth. So the lesson? Don't just rely on a single paycheck. Start building multiple streams of income. If you want to build real wealth, you need to invest. The rich don't just save money, they put it to work. There are three main ways wealthy people invest: stocks, real estate, and businesses. Stock market investing allows them to grow their money without doing anything. A good stock investment can double or triple in value over time. Real estate is another favorite. The rich buy properties, rent them out, and collect passive income every month. And of course, business ownership. The fastest way to build wealth is to own a business rather than work for one. Let me ask you, if you could invest in one thing, stocks, real estate, or starting a business, which would you choose? Comment below. Most people think debt is bad. But the rich? They use good debt to make even more money. Bad debt is borrowing money for things that lose value, like cars, clothes, or expensive gadgets. But good debt is borrowing money to buy assets that make you money. For example, if you take a loan to buy a rental property, that property generates rental income, which can cover the loan payments and give you extra profit. So next time you think about debt, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money? One of the biggest secrets of the wealthy is that they never stop learning. They read books, take courses, and surround themselves with other successful people. Success leaves clues. If you want to be rich, study the habits of wealthy people. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, and The Intelligent Investor. And remember, your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with will shape your future. Now that you know the secrets of the wealthy, what will you do? The rich don't just learn, they take action. Will you start investing? Build a second income stream? Change your mindset about money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new wealth-building tip. And if you're serious about financial freedom, watch this next video where I break down 5 passive income ideas that can make you rich.